What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So ever since I've had this channel, I have always edited all of my videos like sitting on the couch with my laptop. I do like having the laptop because then I can edit anywhere when I travel and all that sort of stuff and show you guys everything. But I thought it was time to set an office up. So we've actually got a spare room in our house. It's kind of the same room as everyone has in their house, like the junk room, just where everything lives. So today I've decided that we're gonna go through and create a proper office / gaming room because the boys are under the impression that the reason I suck at Call of Duty is because I'm playing on the couch. So I'm gonna start playing at a desk, and if I still suck, then well, it is what it is. Now I'm gonna build one side for myself and one side for my wife so that she can have her office area as well, and it'll satisfy my OCD having, you know, 2 duplicate setups. So let's jump in, let's head down, let's get some parts, and let's make this office amazing. Don't judge me, this is our trash room. So I've got a whole bunch of super parts there. I did have like a little bit of a, I guess, gaming setup here, but I couldn't edit, so that kind of sucked. And I don't play guitar, although I want to learn. Let's transform this thing. And here's a new office, guys. Got our shoes in the back here. Got my Iron Mans. Got Odell and Baker Mayfield. All my friends from Perth. Well, a bunch of them anyway. Shame that just turned off. But this is gonna be sick. So much better use of the room. Let me know in the comments, guys, if you like what we've done with this, and if you got any ideas of what else we should do in this room to make it a bit more cool. So guys, I know that was a little bit different to what I normally do. Normally it's all car related. I do like to throw in vlogs here and there. Dogs are coming. But currently I can't really do vlogs. They're a little bit difficult to do in the current climate. Oh, hey buddy. So this is taking place of one of them. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope maybe you guys can do something cool like this at home. It actually was really cheap for us to do. I bought just big panels of wood from Bunnings. I got some office legs. The screens were like, yeah, okay, they're a bit of money. but we got a good price from Centcom, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, it's just reorganizing. I already had the LEDs and stuff from before, but they're like $5. So, you know, that's cheap as. So yeah, if you guys liked it, hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.